Jai Hind everyone. In this video, we are going to install PostgreSQL and pgAdmin. PostgreSQL is one of the most popular relational database system used in data analytics, data science, backend development, and data engineering. And pgAdmin is graphical tool that help us to write SQL queries and manage databases easily. By the end of this video, you will have PostgreSQL fully installed and ready for SQL practices. So let's begin. First, open your browser. Now search for PostgreSQL download. Open the official Postgres website, that is www.postgresql.org. Since I am using Windows, I will select Windows. Now select installer that is hosted by EDB. This installer includes both PostgreSQL server and pgAdmin. So here I will choose Windows x86 64 bits. I will download latest version. So download is completed, and now open the downloaded installer and execute. Click yes if Windows asks for permission. The PostgreSQL setup wizard is now open. Click next. Here you can choose the installation directory, and I will keep the default one. Then click next. Now we have to choose components that we have to download. So here are PostgreSQL server and pgAdmin. That is the main component. I will keep everything as it is and click next. Now we need to choose the data directory. This is a directory under which to store your data. I will keep the default location and click next. Now we need to create default password for PostgreSQL server, and this is the important step. We will use it later while connecting our database. Now click next. Here we can select port number. By default, PostgreSQL uses 5432 port number. In most cases, you should keep the default values. Then click next. Now select the local setting. I will keep the default option. Then click next. Then click next. Now ready to begin installing. Then click next. I will fast forward this part. Now the installation is complete. Click finish. Search for pgAdmin in search menu. On this left side, you can see the servers. This ask for password we created earlier. Now expand databases. You will see the default database already created. This means Postgres is working correctly. Now let's create our first database. For this, just right click on the databases, then click on create, then databases. Now enter the database name. I will name it testdb. Then click save. Our database is created successful. Now let's open the query tool. Let's select the database, then click on this query tool. Now let's test PostgreSQL with simple query. Type select version. Now click on execute button and PostgreSQL returns the install version successfully. That means everything is working perfectly. So in this video, we install PostgreSQL and pgAdmin. We also connect it to the server, create our first database, the test DB. Now your system is fully ready for learning SQL. Thank you for watching.